Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using a phone number you legitimately control. WhatsApp requires verification to secure accounts. Once done, install or update the official app so you have the latest verification flow. Make sure your device has a working internet connection and can receive SMS or calls. Carrier delays are common. If you can't get SMS, use the app's Call Me option after waiting the required time. These are standard, supported methods that protect both you and other users. Now follow the app prompts to request a verification code. Type your number accurately with the country code, then request the SMS. If the code doesn't arrive, wait the timeout and request the verification call. This uses an automated voice to read the code. Do not use modified or unofficial WhatsApp clients to bypass verification. They break terms and can lead to account loss. These steps follow WhatsApp's intended flow and preserve account security and access. After entering the code, finish your profile and immediately enable two-step verification to add a PIN tied to your account. This prevents unauthorized reactivation. If you still can't verify, use the app's help or contact support option so the service can assist. They handle edge cases like blocked numbers. As one troubleshooting tip, check for carrier or SIM restrictions, airplane mode, or delayed SMS services before retrying. Repeated rapid attempts can lock the flow temporarily, so wait and contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.